Hi, today I want to show you this Type 2 to Schuko adapter. I bought it from Aliexpress. I think it was 17 euro or so. And yeah, it kind of works, but not with all charging stations. So today I want to improve it a little bit. And yeah, I also looked inside and looked at the quality. And I'm pretty impressed. It looks really okay. All the parts look okay, which what I recognized. Sorry for my English. The pins here. See the CC or PP and CP. They are the exact same length, and I think that is not okay. I have a proper cable from Manicus here, and I hope I can show it to you. Yeah, maybe here you can see it a little bit. Yeah, the PP pin is way longer than the CP pin. So if you unplug the cable, the CP pin will disconnect first, so the charging station can yeah, stop delivering energy. So yeah, that's I think not okay. But if you compare this, this plug is way longer and it has the safety, the mechanism to lock it, and this one doesn't. So yeah, I think it should be okay. I will see if it works. Yeah, as I said, I tried it with 2 charging stations already, and one charging station was showing a fault, but it was still charging or delivering energy, and on the other station it was just blinking and nothing happens. So the contactors inside didn't close and it was not delivering energy. And I'm using a Citroen C0. It's yeah, it's a Mitsubishi iMIF, and it was one of the early cars. And there is a fault, I think, in the programming of the charging yeah, of the charger. And with some stations it charges with AC, and with some not. So I will use this as a backup to charge it over via the Schuko plug. So I already screwed out these screws. They are, I think, stainless steel. They're just a little bit magnetic, so I think it's stainless steel. Yeah, you can pull this out, and as I said, I already disconnected, opened it. You can, if you open it like this, you can first unscrew these screws to loosen the neutral and L1, and I think it's like this. It's like this, that you can here screw the earth pin, and then you can pull it out. And here you have the cables. It looks very nice, very good crimped, and here also a crimp on this to yeah, to protect the cables. That is very nice. One good thing is that here's a rubber, I think, is it called gasket? Don't know. To make it a little bit waterproof. And yeah, don't know if it works because it's pressed inside and there's no lip to press it on. So I think it will not work that great. Yeah, that is point that they could improve. Yeah, to loosen this part, there are 3 screws inside, one here, one there, and one over there. These are already out, and this one has to be loosened. So now this thing comes apart, and yeah, as I said, it was disassembled before by me, but here you can see the CP and PP pin are they've been resistors, one resistor here and one resistor here. It was all in a shrink tube, so that was all nice, all fine. But I already cut them. Yeah, and to remove the pins, you can here 3 more screws. One thing here, there's no sealing, so there should be water should come inside if it's in the rain. So now we can take everything apart. So here we have the, is it N? No, it's L1, one pin, the L2 pin. This is good with the plastic thing on top that you can't touch it. And yeah, the earth pin. It's all crimped. That's very good. I will not open this, but I think it's crimped too. I can feel the square crimp. These two were soldered, but that should be fine too, because there's not going much energy over it. So so there's no current flowing, or nearly no current. Yeah, as I said before, the quality is pretty nice for 17 euro. It's yeah, looks okay. Here everything is nice crimped. It's very strong. This is crimped and not soldered, which is good. Yeah, all in all, as I said in the beginning, it doesn't work on every charging station, but on some stations, and I will improve this thing a little bit to make it hopefully compatible with all the stations, and that will be shown in the next video.